Hey everyone, it's Robin. Hope everyone's having a good day. Thought that I would share with you a little wedding mini album that I did. I've been working on it a couple of weeks, so I finally have it finished, and I wanted to do this video so that the recipient can come on YouTube and actually see how it works, because she isn't a scrapbooker, and so she can just see how it works. Plus, I thought that I would share it with you all, and maybe you all could get inspired. So, this is a 6x6 mini album, and I used papers from different collections, so I'm not going to go through all of that, but unless I just remember them off the top of my head or something, and overlook all this mess that I have over here. So I used some I Am Roses, I think these are, and some Recollection Roses, and some pearls, and these are little wedding bands that I think I found these at Dollar Tree. You get a whole bag of them in like their party section. So I stuck those on there, and this is from some stickers that I had found at Tuesday Morning, tucked in a little doily that's a little vintage doily, and behind the feathers here, and whoops, I'm sorry, and the butterfly, I'm not sure where that came from. On the binding, as you can see here, I found this textured embossed paper in a packet at Tuesday Morning as well. And this is from the Denim and Pearls collection from Hobby Lobby. This paper is, I know for sure. So then on the inside, I do not remember what collection this is from, but let me see. No, I don't see it handy, so I won't tell you. So on the inside, I just have a couple of pockets here that you can put pictures front and back on. And this little punch is one of the punches that I bought in that big Hobby Lobby haul that I had, and you'll see that punch throughout here. I'm in love with that punch. And then over here is the little flip up to where you can put a picture here, put a picture here, 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 and here. Then that just tucks right back down in there. I just added some little strips of paper here to where the card would go in, and embellished it with a little bit of bling. So then it opens up this way. Let me make sure that I'm in frame. So it opens up this way and then folds out like so. And I put their names in here. So their wedding's going to be different shades of blue is what the bridesmaids will use. And then the reception is going to be in a barn, a really nice barn here. So that's why I used kind of the rustic look. So then this pulls out, and you can put a picture here, 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 as well as here. And then it just tucks right back down in there. If I can quit shaking. There we go. And then put a picture here and here and here. Now this one does not pull out. And then you can put a picture here. But there's a tab here where you can put a picture here and here. And it just tucks right back down in there. Like so. So on the next page then, I have the wedding cake. And so on this one, let me make sure that I'm in frame. I apologize. There we go. So on this one then, you take and pull out the top layer, and this raises up, and she can write here and put a picture here as well as there. And then this has a magnet. It says Just Married on it. And then she can write something here if she'd like. And then this pulls up. Put a picture here, here, and right there if she would like. So it tucks back down in there like that. That pulls over and has a magnet closure. And then this goes back in and it just tucks in the top right like that. So then this page opens up and you can see I've used the love. Again, these are just the little roses like this. That's what I used on the wedding cake, and added just little sticky back pearls in the center of them. And then just a string of pearls that ran down through here, and some lace that I had in my stash. And the love on each one of them is that punch again. I thought that it would look like the icing on the cake. You know how they'll do decorative stuff. So she can put a picture here. There's the love punch again. Then this pulls out and put pictures there, there, and then on the back as well. So then here are the other two pages. This is a window die that I put acetate in, and then on the back side you'll see where I used some of the same lace that I had in my stash, and some little roses that were in my stash, and some of these little flowers. And so the little leaves, I actually took a green pansy and cut it up to make it look like leaves because I didn't have any in my stash. And then just added a couple of little I do stickers that I had picked up at Hobby Lobby on clearance, and a little piece of ribbon. So it opens up like, well, just checking, it opens up like this, and I about made it too big, but too chunky. But then both of these flip out to where she can put pictures, and pictures here. So we'll put it back down in here like this. And back down in that pocket. So it opens like this. And then on this paper here, this is from the Denim and Pearls too. If you'll notice, there's a little church here and a little bride and groom, and it's just beautiful paper. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And then it opens on up like this to where she can put pictures all in there. And left that plain because this was quite chunky. Matter of fact, if I were to do this again, as you can see, I would add a little bit more room there. So then on this page, I just recycled some of my packaging, my clear packaging, and used the punch again here and here. Or this is a different die cut. I don't remember who makes that, but did both of those, and then added some tags for some smaller pictures on both sides. I love this paper. So this is the Denim and Pearls as well. And then there are magnets underneath here. These flip up, and then these flip down like so. So she can do journaling right here if she would like, or just leave it plain and then add some pictures. Then here's another pull out where she can add pictures. Goes back down in that pocket. And the last page is just like the front page, where there's a flip up for picture here, picture here, picture here, here, and here. And then two tags on the back for pictures, as well as the little love punch again. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed my project share. I've been quite busy, and I've made a, I'll show you, I've made a box for it to go in. I just need to work on my closure, but my box will, the album will just fit right down inside of the box like this, and close up as a keepsake box for her, to where it'll keep it all nice and clean. And I goofed and put my stamp upside down and at the top on the back of my box, so you know, You know how it is, you crafters. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope everyone's having a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.